Good afternoon once again. Um, Now we are going to conduct the first session of practical in this semester. As I told you, we have the SCilab for this semester. Two practical sessions. First one is a SCilab, next is advanced SCilab. So as it is a first lecture or first practical session, so I will start with how to download this on your PC or laptop because this is only running on PC or laptop. No doubt it works on a mobile phone also, but it has some different, we can say, one Google link or one internet link is given where you can access this on a mobile phone also. First, I will start with how to download this one. Whether am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just go to Google. Then you have to just type a Scilab. Then you can see here Scilab software, Scilab download, Scilab online, Scilab software. So I will just click on Scilab software. Okay. So here you can see this is what the web page for this one. I will open this in another window. I hope now the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So यह साइलैब का वेबसाइट आपको दिखा and now you can see this is another one साइलैब home website. This is another one Scilab on cloud. This will be useful for the people who are going to access it on a mobile phone. Scilab on cloud, right? So just first go for this one. That is, this is a home page of your Scilab, right? And here you can have a downloads also, whatever you want to download. This the interface which we need. Is everyone able to see this one? So I will just click on the Scilab 6.1.1. Then I will select Scilab 6.1.1 Windows 64-bit because actually 64-bit means what it is related to our laptop or PC where you are going to install. So just install it on this 64-bit. Okay, you can see here it will show where to download. So then just select the path where you want to download in your PC or laptop. Okay, so it will be saved in some place. Yes, everyone getting this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here the Windows shows that thanks for downloading the sign up. You can enter your name and all so that it some of the mail will come to you related to Scilab and all. अगर आपने आपका details यहाँ पे submit किया, so here it shows you number of subjects are there, so you can select any one of them so that they will send you another mails related to this Scilab. Okay. I haven't done this, so just I have downloaded. So you can see the download here. It is still pending. So up to then, we will see some another websites for this one. You can see here the Scilab on cloud. This is Agrana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just open this one, Scilab on cloud. Okay, I'm just going for this one, Scilab on cloud. So here just you can see the this website in which you can just This is what a initial window where you can see what is a SCilab. Okay, you can just run the program whatever you have written here. यहाँ पे आपको program लिखना है whatever you want to write. Suppose you want to type a matrix, or you want to do some practicals of physics, or you want to do some practicals of numerical analysis. You have to type here, and then you can see the result here. Okay. So for this one, I will show you one more thing here. Select the category here. You can select any one of the category. Here, first one is aeronautical engineering, then chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science, economics, electrical engineering, material science, mathematics and statistics, and physics. Let us go for physics. What is there in the physics we will see. So you can go for the applied physics or let us go for optics. Then we will select the book, and then they will select the chapter. Suppose we want to select any chapter, so suppose we will select spherical mirror, then they will show you how to select the examples. We'll select the examples of focal length. So here the program is inbuilt, just you have to execute this program. Actually this is a shortcut. I don't want to show you this nowadays, but no doubt you are more familiar with internet more than us, so that's why I've shown you. अगर मैं दिखाती नहीं तो भी आपको समझ में आ जाता है. So just you have to execute the program and then you can see the result here. Okay. मैथ्स का बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, मोस्टली इट इज़ डिपेंडिंग ऑन फिजिक्स एंड aeronautical engineering. In सब का ज़्यादा calculations, and the focal length is given, y and all these parameters are given, and then it will give you the result. Now let us go for mathematics one. Here we will select the subject of mathematics and statistics, in which we can select the subcategory as engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, linear algebra, nonlinear dynamics, probability, statistics, trigonometry. So I can select any one of them. So I will select the trigonometry in this, and the select book. They will give you the book, and then we have to select the chapter which we want. Suppose I will go for the identities we have studied. Next, you have to select the example. Then the input is there. That means the program is given here. Just what you have to do, we have to just execute the program. You can see the result. Let us see something different. I don't know why it is not working. Let us go for radian major. Okay, let me execute. If it, huh. So now you can see the execution. Cos beta, cos alpha, value of alpha, beta, angle BAC. That is angle BAC. What is angle of BAC and ABC? Okay, and you can see the how to type the program here. Value of D, R1 and R2 is given to you. Radius of first circle, radius of second circle. Value of cos alpha, cos beta is given. Then angle BAC is alpha, angle ABC is beta. Then this star denotes this is a multiplication. Then after doing all this, just execute button and you can have the resultant here. Okay. You can also do the changes here also. Alpha, beta, यहाँ पे आप कुछ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो, and then you can see the result. Actually मैं ये शॉर्टकट बताना ही नहीं चाहती थी, but you are more familiar with the internet more than us, so that you can select one of them. क्योंकि अगर ऐसा विंडो दिखता है तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ टाइप करना पड़ेगा, and then you can see the result here. Okay. So you can see here undefined error. Error is showing here because we haven't typed anything here, which is actually the console. जो syntax होता है उसी में type करना पड़ेगा, right? So let us select again mathematics, and you can select the subcategory. Suppose I have selected the numerical analysis. Numerical analysis हो गया ना paper?
No, ma'am.
काही जणांना जॉईन होता येत नाहीये.
Yes.
जॉईन होता येत नाहीये काही जणांना.
Okay. झालेत का आता join विचारा. Yes. Is there any problem for joining now?
नो मॅम.
Okay. So select the paper of numerical analysis, which is already you have studied in the BSc, no? झाला होता ना numerical BSc मध्ये?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Out of this, mostly we are referring the book Introductory Methods of Numerical Analysis. In this, we can select the chapter. Which one you have studied? We have studied the interpolation also. Interpolation, in which we have studied Lagrange's interpolation formula. झालाय ना हे?
Yes, ma'am. Extrapolation.
येस
Yes,
मॅम.
ma'am.
So here you can see this is what the example is there, and then what you have to do, just simply click on the execute button, and then you can see the output. Okay, so this is what a shortcut way, but no doubt we are going. I am not going to give you any assignment from this inbuilt program. We are going to give you some assignment, the programs which are not there here in this books. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक some selected parts है ना, discrete mathematics है, engineering mathematics, linear algebra, non-linear algebra, and all. So we are not going to select from this one. Let us see what is there in engineering mathematics. Okay, here determinant and matrices are there. So just select the determinant and matrices, and then you can go for eigenvalues and eigenvector you have studied. Okay, then if I click on execute button, then it will show you some output like this. Okay, ये आपको समझ में इसलिए नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि आपने खुद से प्रोग्राम रन नहीं किया है, खुद से प्रोग्राम राइट नहीं किया, right? So for that, we will select some transpose and product of matrices. Okay, this is easier for us. Okay, let us try to execute. What will be the result? This is A, and this is a transpose of this one. Okay, I know. I hope everyone knowing how to find out the transpose of any matrix.
Yes, ma'am.
दिसतंय का हे आहे का ट्रान्सपोज? आउटपुट बरोबर आहे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I will zoom it so that you can see this area. Okay, it is zoomed now. You can see it. A is given. Transpose of A is also given. Just you have to type one thing here. Display A transpose is equal to display A star A transpose of A. That means multiplication of A with the transpose of A. A matrix आपको देना है और what you have to type DISP and in the bracket A transpose is equal to, then A transpose is equal to, मतलब ये वाला sentence यहाँ पे आएगा, whatever you have written in this comma. Okay, and hence here you have to just multiply A and A transpose. Multiplication of a matrix with its transpose, the entries it will be appearing here with 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and hence A is a orthogonal matrix. Okay, I'm just showing you so that it will be easier for you to find out how to write a program, because for latex it was a problem for you people how to write the program, but here it has a shortcut. But every time don't go for the shortcut. If you select these type of a program, Just do some of the changes. अगर आपने यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है, so do some changes here. Suppose here is there, so I will write here instead of this fraction, I will write the numbers 1, 2, and 3. And let us execute what will happen. So you can see here the changes 1, 2, 3, and then you can again change this one also. Why the point is shown here? Because actually maybe it is for decimal one. Suppose we have selected 0, 1, 6, and for the last row we have selected -1, 4, 6, and let us see what is the output. Okay. 0, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 6, -1, 4, 6, and you can see the transpose of this one. And the multiplication of A with A transpose, A is not orthogonal here. So simply you can say display, you can just remove this one. Okay. So if we execute, what will be the resultant? A transpose with transpose of A with multiplication with A's. You can see this one. Okay. So these type of changes you have to do, and some extra efforts you have to take so that you can run the program. Don't assume that we are going to give the inbuilt program, because we are also knowing what type of books are there, which chapters are covered, which subject is there. So do a practice, and let us go back here how to download and all, which we have seen. So we were here. Uh, Here Scilab in home, and then we have downloaded this one. You can see here Scilab 6.1.1 64 bit. दिससे का खाली थे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just click on this one, show in a folder, right? And then by clicking on this, wherever it is stored, जहाँ पे आपके कंप्यूटर या लैपटॉप में स्टोर होगा, वहाँ पे आपको राइट क्लिक करके उसको रन करना है, right? Run as administrator, then it will ask the permission, then you have to allow it, and then it will run. Okay, you have to provide a permission, yes, then it will be downloaded, and it will already it is downloaded, just it will be run. You just select the language, whatever the language you want to select. There are so many different languages, but mostly we will prefer for English one. And if you select OK, so you can see now the window. This second window here, welcome to the Scilab 6.1.1 64-bit setup wizard.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to just select next, and then you have to accept the agreement, then you have to select again next, 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 install, and then it will be installed. It will not require much more time for the installation. Within 2 to 3 minutes it will be installed. Then you have to finish the installation, and then you can open that window. See, everyone is now familiar with the latex.
Yes, ma'am.
Latex, and the next one which we have seen, a beamer one. So just try to do a practice on that one. अगर आपको कोई चीज टाइप करना है तो just prefer the latex, so that it will be useful for you people in the next near future. Suppose you are going for a research, and suppose you are going for a any type of a job, so it will be useful there for you people. So just be in touch with the latex and SCilab, all this type of a software. Because if you are going to work in any type of a company, multinational companies or MNC, so they need some of the software, जस्ट लाइक जावा एंड ऑल. सो एटलीस्ट अगर कोई आपको एक भी सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छे से रन करना आता है तो दूसरा सॉफ्टवेयर आपको सीख दो ही. कोई भी चीज सीखने के लिए डिफिकल्ट है, सपोज यू नो द सी, देन यू कैन वेरी easily handle the CPP, right? C language, CPP, Java, all these are languages. So अगर आपको कोई एक भी अच्छे से आ जाता है तो आप दूसरा इजीली कर सकते हो. जस्ट लाइक a latex, we have some particular type of a syntax. ओके. दूसरे अगर सॉफ्टवेयर आपने देखेंगे तो उनमें भी एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ सिंटैक्स होता है, और जो आपको उसमें टाइप करना है वो टाइप करना है, एंड देन इट विल गिव यू द रिजल्टेंट आउटपुट. So that is what the important thing. So that's why we have introduced the concept of the latex and the SCilab in our syllabus, because many times if our students of mathematics want to work in any MNC companies or anywhere in the job of engineering में भी वो लोग क्या like they were, if a person having a logical thinking, if he or she knows some of the software, C, CPP, Java, this type of software, if they are knowing, then they will select that candidate. No need to have engineering itself. Okay, because many times MCA students are also selected in place of engineering. इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट की जगह एमसीए के भी सिलेक्ट होते हैं. इवन मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो वर्क देयर. But what a basic need is, we should have a logical thinking, and any one of the software you should able to understand. Then you can go for some of the training program. अगर आप किसी कंपनी में सिलेक्ट होते हो तो वहाँ पे एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम पे जाने के बाद वो बाकी के दूसरे जो भी उनकी कंपनी के लिए ज़रूरी है वो आपको सिखाते हैं, राइट? And then you can work there also. So just be in touch with all these type of software, because I think you are knowing for the stat also we need one software, SPSS and MATLAB. SPSS, MATLAB, HTML, all these are software related to your stat. And R software, माहिती है क्या R software?
Yes, ma'am.
सॉफ्टवेयर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, वहाँ पे स्टैट का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है. नो डाउट मैथमेटिक्स पीपल ऑल्सो कैन डू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. क्या होता है आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में? वी हैव टू कलेक्ट द डेटा एंड यू हैव टू एनालाइज द डेटा, राइट? बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स यू कैन सी हियर everyone is having now the Android mobile. Everyone is accessing the internet and all. So more amount of data is generated. Just the artificial intelligence वाले लोग क्या करते हैं, उस डेटा को एनालाइज करते हैं, just like in the Facebook itself. I hope everyone is having Facebook and Instagram account, at least you know. So sometime what you do on the Google itself, जहाँ पे आपका सर्च इंजिन होता है, वहाँ पे आप सपोज यू टाइप बेंचेस, और सपोज यू टाइप चेयर, इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ चेयर, राइट? अगर आप गूगल पे सर्च करते हो या अमेजोन पे सर्च करते हो चेयर के लिए, और उसके बाद अगर आप जाके फेसबुक के पेज पे आप आपका खुद का फेसबुक का अकाउंट ओपन करते हो तो आपको ऐड में चेयर्स और बेंचेस का ही ऐड दिखाएगा. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व दिस वन?
Yes, ma'am.
केलेत का सगळ्यांनी ऑब्झर्व यूज करतो ना
Yes,
आपण?
ma'am.
अमेझॉन वरून काहीतरी ऑर्डर केलेत का? यूज करतात का अमेझॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट? ऍटलीस्ट लॉकडाऊन मध्ये तर यूज केला असेल ना? सो अगर आप अमेजोन पे भी जाते हो, अगर आप वहाँ पे कोई ड्रेस सर्च करते हो, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप जब उस विंडो को या उस वेबसाइट को विजिट करते हो तो दे विल शो यू वट एवर द आइटम्स यू हैव सर्च, राइट। ये ऐसे कैसे होता है, उनको कैसे पता चलता है कि हमने ये सर्च किया है, या हम अमेजोन पे या गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं तो फेसबुक को कैसे पता चलता है। सो दैट इज व्हाट द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। वो जो भी डेटा हम लोग अपने मोबाइल पे सर्च करते हो, इट इज ऑन द इंटरनेट इटसेल्फ, इट इज अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन। So just they will collect the data, they will analyze and they will give it to Facebook or Instagram, and then तो वो लोग आपका डेटा यूज करके आपको उसके सिमिलर चीजें आपको दिखाते हैं, राइट। दिस इज व्हाट द स्टैटिस्टिक्स, आप स्टैटिस्टिक का यूज ही होता है वहाँ पे आर सॉफ्टवेयर में, जहाँ पे आपको आपका डेटा एनालाइज किया जाता है, और एंड देन यू विल बी showing that some result। अगर आप कोई ड्रेस, या फिर आप सपोज यू आर बाइंग एनी शूज, ओके स्पोर्ट्स शूज, सो अगर आप स्पोर्ट्स शूज गूगल पे सर्च करते हो तो फेसबुक के पेज पे अगर आप जाते हो तो वहाँ पे आपको नीचे वो जो भी स्पोर्ट्स के शूज है या फिर एनी टाइप ऑफ शूज, दे विल शो दम इन दैट फेसबुक पेज ऑल्सो। In even if you search it on Amazon, then it will show some related search. Okay. So here it is now completed. Now you have to just click on the finish and then it will open the window. You can see here now the new tab is there. Here you can see it will come here, and that is what your SCilab. Okay. Then after opening the SCilab window, it will be more and like whatever we have seen SCilab console. It will take some time to open. Okay, we have to wait for some time so that it will open.
लेफ्ट करायची का?